GlutenEase. GlutenEase is not a multi-spectrum formula. It's really targeted to specific digestive needs, in this case, gluten or even casein, which is a milk protein. Now, we all know many individuals are suffering different types of gluten intolerances and they choose a gluten-free lifestyle. That's absolutely okay. But with GlutenEase, it's allowing some flexibility within that arrangement because you're applying the enzymes that are gonna break that food down for you when your body needs that extra support. GlutenEase uses our G1 TheraBlend. In this case, it's unique to any other TheraBlend that we make. G1 has an amount of amylase TheraBlend, glucoamylase, protease TheraBlend, and DPP-IV. Really, the key enzyme in there is the DPP-IV, which is breaking down sections of that gluten peptide so you can begin to tolerate it. GlutenEase for gluten intolerance.